outside, it's summer fun. We'll run and jump and play in the sun. Grab your hat and your shades, let's go. It's a sunny day and the fun will show. We'll build a castle in the sand, with a bucket and a spade in hand. Dig a moat and make a flag. Put on your sunblock, don't let it lag. Splash in puddles, jump so high. Catch a butterfly as it flies by. Run through sprinklers, feel the spray. Summer fun is here to stay. Play with the ball, toss it in the air. Kick it, bounce it, don't you dare. Let it roll and let it spin. Laugh and cheer, let's all win. We'll ride our bikes and race around, zooming fast on the playground. Play tag with friends, run fast and slow. Feel the wind as we go. Fly kite up in the sky, watch it soar and fly so high. Chase it, catch it, bring it down. Summer fun's the talk of the town. Have a picnic, eat a treat, juicy watermelon and something sweet. Sit on the grass, feel the breeze. Summer days are sure to please. Dance with shadows, play with toys. Sing out loud with lots of noise. Summer's here, let's have a blast. Playing outside, make memories that last. When the sun starts to set, we'll cheer. Another summer day is here. Say goodbye to the fun and play. Tomorrow's another sunny day.